Okay, so hello everyone. Our today's topic is all about modules in Python. We are already done with the function part 1 and part 2, but that doesn't mean we are done with the function because we have to complete so many things related to functions like recursion, then lambda function, then map function, reduce, etc. So that I'm going to cover in my next video, actually Python function part 4. So in part 3, I'm going to cover only all about modules. Okay, so what is exactly the meaning of the module? That is the first thing. Okay, so in Python, modules means nothing but whenever you save your Python file. So obviously we know that we give file name and then we write .py as an extension, and that file consists of your programs. It can be a function inside of that file, it can be a classes, variables, etc. So this, in short, this file is nothing but called as what? Module. Every Python file is called as module. So now I am going to demonstrate over here one simple example. If I say x equal to 10, okay, I'm writing. Acha, first of all, I have created one blank empty file, demo1. So likewise, I have one more file, demo2. So what I'm writing in demo1, so all of you focus on that, and then I will write in demo2. Okay, and out of this two, I'm going to run only one file, so that I will tell you afterwards only. So first of all, x equal to 10, suppose. Okay, this line. Then I'm defining one function, actually add, you can say add function, and it has two parameters, and we are interested in printing a plus b. So define add and a comma b and print a plus b, and we have one more function that is define and multiplication, and it also has two parameters, a comma b, and here also we are interested in printing only a into b. Okay, so we are done with our actually demo 1 program. So what I will do, I will simply save this file. Okay, so what we have done here is x equal to 10, one simple variable, and then we have two function, add and multiplication, having two parameters, a comma b, and we are just printing a plus b and a into b. But here in this file we are not writing any function call statements. So we have one more file, okay, but the name of this file is demo1.py. So we have one more file, that is demo2. So here in demo2, I'm going to write import, okay, and I will write demo1. So import that module in the demo2 file, that is the first thing. Then I will write only print statement, and in demo1 we have one variable x equal to 10. So to print that value, we have to write demo1.x. That is one thing. Then obviously in our previous file demo1, we were having two functions, add and I think multiplication. 1 minute. Yeah, add and multiplication. Okay. So if I want to call these two function, then what we can do is we can write print, and then our file name is demo1, okay, dot add, and it has two parameters, so 5 comma 3, and same way we can write print, and we can write demo1 dot multiplication, that is the name of the function, and also two parameters, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2. Okay, okay, and now we'll quickly save this file demo2, and I'm going to execute only demo2 file. So I have imported everything of demo1 in demo2 file. So run the module. So you can see we are getting answer is what? 10, 8, then we are getting none, and also we are getting none. So obviously this 10, 8 and this is we are getting because of this function call, that is demo1.x, demo1.add 5 comma 3, and then multiplication. So as per our previous file, it was something like this. Okay, And one more thing, that why we are getting output two times, because you all can see here also we have a print statement, okay, and here also we have a print statement. Suppose if I write only demo1 dot x, not the print statement, like this, and also I am going to remove print from here also, okay, like this, control S and F5. See, now you can see it is only 8 and 8, because obviously it will check for addition and multiplication, not for x. Why not for x? Because in our demo 1 file, it was only x equal to 10. There is no print statement that print x nowhere. But if you write only demo1 dot x with the print, you will get the answer as 10. So control S and F5. See. So that is all about the modules, that you can import the modules, that is in many ways. You can rename also, you can give aliasing also. Like suppose for example, in this program only, if I want to import demo1 as, and if I write D, so now instead of writing demo1, I will write everywhere only D, not the demo1, and still we will get the output. See, we are getting the output. And also if you want, you can use the from keyword also. Like suppose for example, if you want from, okay, so from obviously which module or which file from demo1, and we want to import for example only x and add comma multiplication. This way also you can define, okay. So now here obviously I have to again write demo1, but now we have imported specific things, so without using also it is possible, like print x. So control S and F5. See, we are getting the output, same output, because we have imported x also, addition function, add function also, and multiplication. So no need to write now demo1 dot add, demo1 dot multiplication, or demo dot x, etc. Then we can use like import and asterisk sign also, like from demo1 import and only asterisk, okay, control S. Other things will remain same as it is only, and still we are getting the output. That is also like it will import asterisk, will import everything. And also in case if you want import for example x as y maybe, then comma add as addition, okay, comma multiplication as mul, okay. So here also you have to write the same name, instead of x you have to write y, okay. Then here also instead of add you have to write addition, and here instead of multiplication you have to write mul, and control S, F5. Okay, there is some problem with that demo1. Okay, cannot import the name multiplication. Okay, let me check the spelling of that. Okay, multiplication spelling is wrong. Actually, it is M-U-L-T, multi, T-I. Okay, now it is correct. Multiplication as mul. Yeah, correct now. So now we are getting the output that is the same as this only. So this is all about the modules in Python, like various way you can write the import statement also, and various ways you can execute the problem statements. Thank you everyone.